You earn more than your parents did. Your bank account doesn't show it. Researcher Brad Klontz calls this money scripts, unconscious beliefs. Formed before age 12. Running your finances before logic has a say. The problem is not your discipline. It is a script written in a house you no longer live in. There is a name for what happened there. And once you hear it, your bank account will finally make sense. You see a friend book a vacation. You feel anxiety, not envy. Anxiety. You get a raise. You spend it before it clears. You avoid your banking app for days, not because you don't care. Because caring feels dangerous. That feeling is not about money. It is older than money. It started at home. She is 34. Senior project manager. Close to 6 figures. On a Tuesday night, her balance crosses 4,000. She doesn't feel relief. She panics. Within the hour, she opens a shopping cart. Moves 300 into it. She doesn't know why. Her mother used to say it every week. Money is just waiting to disappear. Albert Bandura studied observational learning. His finding was direct. The brain builds behavior from watching others. In childhood, that process runs without filters. Every argument about the electric bill. Every parent who went silent when the card declined. Every closed-door conversation about what couldn't be paid, your brain didn't just watch. It filed those moments as instructions. But here's the problem. Those instructions never expired. They are running right now. The prefrontal cortex manages long-term financial thinking. It doesn't fully develop until your mid-20s. Before that window closes, the amygdala is already running. It logs every money moment, threat or reward, permanently. Psychologists call this money script theory, unconscious beliefs, absorbed before you could drive, operating inside every adult financial decision you make. Most people don't realize this. Your savings problem is not about discipline, it is a memory on loop, running whether you know it or not. Here is what nobody tells you. Guilt after a bad purchase is not weakness. It is proof the system worked. Your childhood financial environment, circumstance, not conspiracy, produced this behavior exactly as intended. You were never failing at money. You were succeeding at survival. First, write the money phrase you heard most before age 15. Not what you believed, what you heard out loud. Naming the source breaks the loop. Psychologists call this cognitive defusion. Second, when your balance climbs past your comfort level, add friction. Set a 48-hour hold before any unplanned purchase. Psychologists call this an implementation intention. A pre-decided rule. One that fires before the emotional brain can. Your childhood wrote the first draft. Without naming it, that draft never changes. The next video is about the people closest to you right now. They are quietly rewiring your spending. You haven't noticed yet.